Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide Pro, and in today's video I am sharing a quick hands-on review of OnePlus X on X. OnePlus launched the X on X in India at a price tag of ₹16,999 and it is available exclusively on Amazon.in. And the first flash sale will happen on November 5th. On the specification front, it features 5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. It has a resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels. The resolution is pretty good and you will not find any problem with the resolution. And above the display there is a 8 megapixel camera with a speaker grill and range of sensors, and the navigation buttons are part of the display. On the right hand side there is a power key, volume button and a SIM card slot. By removing this, it's a hybrid SIM card slot. You can use the SD card and the micro SIM slot. At the top it has 3.5mm audio jack, there is a mic, and on the left hand side there is a disturb key, or you can say the assistant key, which allows you to mute all the notification or set custom notifications. At the bottom the micro USB slot is sandwiched between the dual speakers. At the back it has 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. There is a OnePlus branding and the back has a pretty good flash, and it offers a premium feel. When you hold it, clicking on the notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings. As you can see that tapping on settings button gives you access to all the settings available on the phone. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor, which clocks at 2.3 GHz. It's a quad-core CPU and it is paired with 8 GB of RAM. Above all, it runs on Android version 5.1.1 with Oxygen OS version 2.1.2 on top of it. And it has 16 GB inbuilt memory. The inbuilt memory can be expanded further by using micro SD card. And as you can see there, out of 16 GB, only 11.5 GB is available for use. The other space is consumed by applications and the other images and videos that comes with this. Apart from this, it comes with a few preloaded apps like OnePlus Radio and the Swift keypad. These are some of the things which come with OnePlus on X, and considering the price tag, it's a pretty good device, and it's a unibody device with a rounded edge, and the sides have a steel frame which you can see that, and it is beautifully crafted. When compared to the pricing, it's worth considering. And the only disadvantage is that you will need an invite to buy this smartphone. And this is all for now. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video.